Is your car running rough, losing power, using too much fuel, or struggling to start? Before you start replacing expensive parts, check one small sensor that can cause all of these problems: the map sensor. In this video, I'll show you 6 signs of a bad map sensor, some quick and easy things you can check yourself, and when it's time to replace the sensor. Let's get started. The first sign is a rough or unstable idle. The map sensor measures pressure inside the intake manifold and sends that information to the engine computer. If the sensor gives incorrect readings, the ECU may calculate the wrong air-fuel mixture. You might notice the engine shaking, RPMs going up and down, or the engine feeling like it's about to stall. Quick, easy fix. Before replacing the sensor, turn the engine off and inspect the map sensor connector. Make sure it's fully plugged in and the terminals aren't corroded. If the sensor is dirty, carefully remove it and use sensor-safe electrical cleaner if the manufacturer allows cleaning. Don't poke the sensing element or spray aggressive cleaners directly onto it. Number 2 is poor acceleration or loss of power. Does your car feel slow when you press the accelerator? A faulty map sensor can send incorrect engine load information to the ECU. That can result in hesitation, weak acceleration, or poor throttle response. You may notice the problem most when accelerating onto a highway or driving uphill. Quick, easy fix. First, inspect the map sensor wiring and connector. Then check for cracks, loose connections, or intake leaks around the sensor. If everything looks good, use an OBD2 scanner to check map readings and compare them with the specifications for your vehicle. Number 3 is poor fuel economy. If the map sensor is giving incorrect readings, the ECU may deliver too much or too little fuel. If the engine runs too rich, you could see your fuel mileage drop noticeably. So if you're suddenly visiting the gas station more often, don't ignore it. Quick, easy fix. Start with the basics. Check the map sensor connector, inspect the intake system for leaks, and scan for trouble codes. Also, remember that poor fuel economy can have many causes, including low tire pressure, a dirty air filter, bad oxygen sensors, or driving conditions. So don't replace the map sensor without testing it. Number 4 is engine misfires or stalling. A faulty map signal can cause the air-fuel mixture to become too rich or too lean. That can lead to hesitation, rough running, misfires, and sometimes even stalling. If your engine keeps dying when you come to a stop, the map sensor should be inspected. Quick, easy fix. First, check for obvious vacuum or intake leaks. Inspect the hoses around the intake manifold for cracks or loose connections. Then check the map sensor connector. If the check engine light is flashing, don't keep driving aggressively. A severe misfire can damage the catalytic converter. Number 5 is the check engine light. A map sensor problem can trigger trouble codes such as P0105, P0106, P0107, or P0108, depending on the vehicle. But here's something very important. A map-related trouble code doesn't automatically mean the sensor itself is bad. The problem could also be caused by wiring, a vacuum leak, a connector problem, or another engine issue. Quick, easy fix. Plug in an OBD2 scanner and read the stored trouble codes. Don't simply clear the code and assume the problem is fixed. Inspect the sensor, wiring, connector, and intake system before buying a replacement. The 6th sign is hard starting or poor engine response. If the map sensor is sending incorrect pressure information, the ECU may struggle to calculate the correct fuel mixture. You might notice longer cranking, hesitation, or poor response when you press the accelerator. Quick, easy fix. Check the map sensor connector first, then inspect for damaged wiring and intake leaks. If you have a scan tool that supports live data, check the map reading with the engine off and compare it with the expected atmospheric pressure for your location and vehicle specifications. If the reading is clearly incorrect, further testing may be needed before replacing the sensor. Here's a quick check you can do before spending money on a new sensor. First, locate the map sensor on your engine. Disconnect the electrical connector and inspect it for corrosion or damaged terminals. Next, check the surrounding intake area for vacuum leaks. If the sensor is removable, inspect it for contamination and clean it only with a product approved for that sensor. Finally, use an OBD2 scanner or multimeter to test the sensor according to your vehicle manufacturer's specifications. Remember, don't guess, test it. If the sensor fails proper testing, replacing it is usually straightforward on many vehicles. But don't replace it just because you see one MAP-related trouble code. A wiring problem, vacuum leak, intake issue, or electrical fault can create the same symptoms. Always diagnose the actual cause first. And that's it for today. If this video helped you diagnose your car, hit the like button, subscribe to FixPro Garage, and turn on notifications for more simple automotive repair tips. Remember, test first, replace second. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.